Hi Year 10, it's Mrs. Brooks and this is a 5-minute lesson on how to write your introduction. So by the end of this lesson you should be able to write your introduction to your speech on one of the 4 topics, either racism, sexism, ageism or ableism. So let's have a look what we're going to do in this short lesson today. I'm going to look at persuasive techniques that you'll need to include, plan out some ideas, and I'm going to give you some sentence stems that will help you to write your introduction. Okay, quick reminder of our De Forester techniques. I would advise you to have a list of these techniques written down and tick them off as you use them. You might not need to use all of them, but you certainly do not want to be using the same technique over and over again. It's going to become dull and dry. And so I would like you to copy down this De Forester techniques list and use it as a checklist as you work through each of the paragraphs. So what do we need to do? Really important when we're planning is to think about what are we talking about, why are we talking about it, and how will we want our audience to react. So in your introduction, these are the things that you need to do. You need to greet your audience and make it sound like a speech. So starting with good morning, Stretford. I want you to use 2 or 3 De Forester techniques. You need to explain what your chosen topic is, and most importantly, explain why you have chosen this topic. Here are my top 3 De Forester techniques that I would suggest you use in the introduction. So direct address, I, we, you, a triple, and be 3 powerful emotive words. It might be the same word repeated 3 times. And a rhetorical question. This is going to be really important because I want you to answer this question in your conclusion. It's a nice little linking technique for you. If you are still struggling for some ideas, go back and watch the Emma Watson speech again. It's less than 2 minutes and that will help you. Okay, so here are your sentence stems that I would like you to use, but this is a starting point. You can add to them, change them, do what you like with them as long as you've got the basics in there. So, as I said, start with good morning, Stretford. Then you're going to choose which topic you are going to use. So please don't write what would the world be like without racism, ableism, sexism, ageism. I want you to choose the one that you are writing about in this speech. Pop in some statistics, maybe whatever % of people in the UK are victims of this despicable discrimination. Oh, threw a bit of alliteration in there. I'm here today to demand your action. I'm here today to finish that. I'm here today to, oh, I've got a nice list of 3 there. 3 things that you want your audience to do. Again, select which topic you're talking about and create a definition for that topic. You've had that in an earlier lesson. So, but you can finish off this sentence. It's more than just a group of words in a dictionary. It's real, it hurts, and I'm here to ask for your help. You can go back and use my PowerPoint and link to each of these videos that will take you to a definition and some statistics. So what do you need to do now? Make sure you have the definition and the statistics for your chosen topic. Watch the Emma Watson clip again, and then use the sentence stems to write your introduction. Next lesson, I'm going to show you how to write paragraph 1. Over to you now.